What is up, YouTube, man? We are back with another video. It is Zach of All Trades that you are tuning into right now, guys. Before we get into this video, if you're reading this title, you know that we are going to be talking about how am I navigating this market right now. So, everybody right now is getting fear-mongering by the news, things like that. Now, what news am I talking about? Well, the main news that we have right now is tariffs, things of that nature in the market. So if you do not know that, how the news affect the stock market, well, it affects it, by changing price and volume, volatility, things of that nature. And also investing for long term or just day trading, day-to-day basis. Yeah, guys, so how am I navigating this market? Well, I'm navigating this market by just honestly staying patient for it, staying reactive to what price is doing on a day-to-day basis. So I'm not sticking to one bias. I'm looking at the overall trend. That's number 3, guys. And really, I'm just trying to, more so. I more so don't look at the news. I just focus on my strategy, my setup, what I'm seeing on the charts in real time, and things of that nature. And yeah. Now, when it comes to the news, I keep up with the economic calendar on the week, to see what news is coming out. See, we got big news, FOMC meeting, things of that nature. And yeah. So really, how am I navigating this market is just, more so in a calm situation. I'm more patient right now, more calm, things of that nature. I've been trading for a good 2-3 years now, so I have more of a edge in the market, if you get what I'm saying. So I pretty much know how to react when the market is going down instead of being fearful, how they want you to have you, because my first year of trading, I would, be fearful. Then basically I would have a lot of emotions trading or just investing, but then not realizing it's just the market, doing what it's doing on a day-to-day basis. So now in today's time, I'm more just patient, laid back, waiting on my setup, waiting on my strategy to play out. Time of the day, paying attention to that. Also just dollar cost averaging on my long-term stocks and companies that I hold, things like that. Continue to compound interest your money. And yeah, really just during times like this in the market, you really just need to be in cash. And that's one thing that I'm learning more. Just stay in cash and also stay patient. So yeah, guys, that is really how I'm navigating this market. To sum it all up, I'm just being patient, waiting on my strategy, waiting on my setup, and I'm not fearful. So when the market is going down, I'm just waiting to buy at lower prices into my companies that I love, holding these companies to say 3, 4, 5 years out, and so on. I can pass on to my children or so on and so on, But yeah, guys, that's what I'm planning on to do or navigating this market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more of these videos. And it's your boy Zach of All Trades. We're out.